Hi family, how are you guys doing? You can let me know in the comment section if life is treating you well. So today's tutorial is all about locks. We are going to be making locks using lush hair extensions. So the first thing you want to do is to create the braiding pattern you want your hair to follow. So I made individual braids, and the next thing you'll be doing is wrapping the extensions around your natural hair or around your hair. That's pretty much what you're going to be doing. And when you get to the tip of the extensions, you want to tie it, then use a crochet hook to drag the shorter part of the extensions into the longer part and use your hands to rub them together just to give it that natural look. Okay, so I am going to explain this one more time in order for you to understand properly. What you want to do is take your extensions, right, then divide it into two parts. Pick one part. There should be a longer part and a shorter part because he wanted his locks to be short and not long, so I had to cut the extensions into 6 places because we know lush extension is super long. So wrap the extensions around your hair, around your natural hair. If you're going to be doing this yourself, wrap it around your hair. Don't grab the roots too tight because you don't want to have headaches later on, right? So wrap the extensions around your hair. When you get to the tip of the hair where you want to stop, you just have to tie it down, and that's it. Once you tie it down, you want to go in with your crochet hook and drag the shorter parts of the extensions into the longer parts and use your palm to rub the hair together, just the way I'm doing it.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, 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 yeah. Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it.
And this is it. This is the end result, and this is looking really nice, so you should give it a try out. Okay, don't forget to like this video, leave comments behind, subscribe to my channel to join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video. My client is super excited, and of course I'm also excited. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Kisses.